Getting 100 plus damage is possible by using the double hit tech. Hitchhikers and Johnny are easier to do the double hit with. Cook and Bubba are able to do this, but I'm unable to get it constantly. You must stand still and swing. Then once the swing animation is at right point, move forward. You'll hear a 2-hit sounds atop each other and 2 blood collected notification. Hitchhiker's right side double swing is a lot harder to hit than his left side, so most of the time I just go for that. The double swing has no lunge, making it not usable in chase, only when the victim is stationary where it's most effective. Subscribe for more techs.